It's party time as Nifty hits all-time high. Well, last week we have seen index being hitting all-time high, and we are highlighting this for last probably around 3 to 4 weeks, and we have clearly done a video, especially in our momentum moves or fast profits daily, that Nifty is about to hit 16,000, and in the last week video as well, we have highlighted that market is ready to take a blast, and here we are. Myself, Brijesh Bhatia, and welcome to the Fast Profit Daily. In this video, I will be discussing Nifty and one sector which could take Nifty higher towards 16,000 levels. Well, last week was on Friday, especially the king awakened. I would say the Reliance taking a lead, nearly around 7.5% gain during the day, and it's being a remarkable momentum by Reliance taking Nifty to the all-time highs. But if you look at the technical structure over Nifty over here, the weekly chart, it's clearly breaking out of the bullish channel structure. And after a long time, last hit we have seen around 15,431 was in Feb, and probably markets slightly consolidated in the range and back towards all-time high. So if I just look at the technical structure, index is trading in a bullish breakout. Plus, if we look at the lower panel, I have included here the ADX or the directional movement index, where the blue line, which is the positive DI, is clearly moving higher, indicating that the strength is there into this momentum. So our expectation of 16,000 still remains on cards, and we are likely to move towards 16,000 levels. And as we are entering a June, we think that the 16,000 can be achievable in the June month as well. So one sector which could take markets to the higher is, I think, banking and financial services. So let's look at the Bank Nifty over here, and I think Bank Nifty has been underperformed for quite long. And first chart I want to show over here is the Bank Nifty to Nifty ratio chart. And if you look at the ratio chart, the major bottom formation has happened. If you look at the lower side, uh, below the black triangles, below the back rectangle lines, the major formation, bottom formation was that we broke up above that, retesting the same levels again. And now, if you look at the right hand side, the green dashed line or dotted lines, it has given a formed the higher high, retested those high again, and I think this move could again be an outperformance for Bank Nifty, especially now. And Bank Nifty is the one which I believe that can take a huge rally on the upside. Looking at the ratio chart, what should you expect on Bank Nifty, and what are the targets we are expecting? Let's look at the second chart over here, which is the Bank Nifty, and this is the daily chart over here of the Bank Nifty. And if you look at the structure over here, it has broken out of the horizontal trend and the black dotted line over here. It has given a breakout, retested those levels around 33,200. And if you look at the expiry, it was around at the higher level of around 35,000 levels. Now, even if you look at the momentum, it's still in the bull's court over here. And if you look at the rising three structure, which means that a rally was there, a three consolidation, and again on the expiry day, which was the last Thursday, we have seen a momentum building up again on the Bank Nifty. Plus, if you look at the lower panel again, which we have seen the ADX on the Nifty chart, similar ADX has been there over here on Bank Nifty also. So still the bullish DI, which is the blue line, is trending bullish. So we believe that the Bank Nifty is ready to get a bigger rally, probably towards 37,000, 37,500 can be expected on the Bank Nifty over here. Yes, the dip should be again being an accumulation opportunity for bulls, but overall we think the next leg of rally could be into the financials. And if you remember in the previous week, the last week, we have covered a PSU index, and one should not fear to buy the PSU index. So PSU also last week we have seen SBI right from 380, 390 levels back to the 430 levels. Now PNB is gaining strong momentum. Bob is gaining strong momentum. Kenming is ready for a warm up. So, and even if you look at the last week of Friday, HDFC was gaining a momentum in the last day or the Friday. So we believe that banking is ready for a next leg of rally, and you should not miss this Bank Nifty momentum taking markets to the higher levels. So just to conclude, Nifty, we are ready for 16,000, and we are expecting markets to trend towards those levels probably in coming weeks. And Bank Nifty is the one which could take a lead in the next leg of rally for Nifty to take towards 16,000. So signing off, Rajesh Bhatia. Thank you.
Do not forget to subscribe to my email newsletters, Fast Profits Daily, and get a free guide on how to trade markets like pro. Thank you.